Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Rowenta DR6131 Handheld Steamer. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. This steamer is ultra lightweight as it is only 2 pounds. You can easily carry it in hand while doing the cleaning. Due to its small size and lightweight, it is ideal for carrying and traveling and everyday cleaning of household tools. This steamer only takes 15 minutes to heat up. Thus in a very short time, it can provide you with hot steam for cleaning. It gives fast cleaning and sanitization in a very short time. You can use this handheld steamer for removing wrinkles on clothes. The unique feature of the Rowenta steamer is that you can remove the water tank. When refilling is required, you don't have to wait for it to cool down. You can refill the water tank instantly. This cleaning steamer is safe to use on furniture and clothes. You can use the steam on larger furniture, kids' beds, toys, clothes and kitchen utensils etc. It does not leak hot water. Thus it is very safe to use for household cleaning. The horizontal steam that this steamer provides is free from chemicals. It is excellent to kill bacteria, germs and bed bugs. Pros. The fast action of cleaning. Free from chemicals. Multifunctional cleaning system. Removable water tank. Kill bacteria and other germs. Clean and sanitize formula. Cons. May spilt hot water, thus can cause serious injuries.